Hi everyone, today I am going to tell you how to add your Gmail account to Thunderbird's mail clients. Okay, first of all, you can log into your Gmail account and click this settings and go to see all settings. Then you can see forwarding and pop IMAP. Then you can enable IMAPs. Okay, I enable this one and save changes. Okay, then you can click on manage your accounts and go to security. Okay, this account two-step verification is turned off. So there are two methods to add your Gmail account to Thunderbirds. I use the first method, then I will describe the second method. First method is a less secure method, but it is a very easy method to add your Gmail account to Thunderbird. Okay, the first case is the two-step verification of. If your account already have two-step verification, you can follow this method. Okay, you can click set up an accounts. Then you can put your account name. I put here demo, and you can put your email address and you can put password here. Then you can click continue. Then done. Okay, it will take some times to see your email here. Okay friends, this is the first method. You can use this method, but this method is not secure method, but this method is very easy to add Thunderbird to your Gmail account. Now I am going to tell you most secure method to add your Gmail account to Thunderbirds. Okay, now I am going to show you second method. You can click settings, see all settings, and you can enable IMAPs and save. Then you can manage your Gmail accounts, and then you can add. If you like to use two-step password method, you can use these methods. It is more secure than previous method. Okay, click on security. Then you can turn on two-step verifications. Okay, okay, you can put your phone numbers here. You can put your phone numbers, and then Google will send the verification code to your phone number as SMS. You can put this verifications message and verify your phone, and then you can enable the two-step verifications. Okay, I put my mobile numbers and I got the verification code. Now I am going to turn on two-step verifications. Okay, now I turn on two-step verifications. Turn on two-step verifications. Then I can make app passwords for the Thunderbirds. This is the very secure method. Instead of your using your Gmail passwords, you can use the app passwords. It is a very secure method. Now I am going to create a app password. Okay, click app passwords. Okay, select app. I click mail. Select device. I use Windows computers. Then I can click generate. Okay, this is the app password. I can copy this one. I can copy this one, and now I am going to add Gmail account using a password instead of my Gmail original password. Okay, click set up email. Okay, I will put copy and put password here. Then I can put name of email address here. Okay friends, then everything is okay, done. Okay, this is my inbox. It will take some time to show. Okay friends, you can use the app passwords instead of your Gmail password for Thunderbirds. It is a very secure method. uh, if you want to remove the app passwords, you can go here and delete this one. Okay, I think this methods will be very helpful for you. Instead of using your Gmail password, you can use the app passwords. It is a very secure method, and sometimes it will work fine rather than you use your passwords. Okay, if you have any problems, so any inquiry, you can comment below. Thanks for watching.